Hi guys, welcome to my channel Ayurvedic. Today we are going to discuss about anemia home remedies. 1 teaspoon of amla powder mix with 1 teaspoon of honey. Consume daily morning in empty stomach. By this, anemia problem will solve. Take 1 gram ajwain, black pepper and pinch of pink salt. Mix all together. Eat daily. By this, blood will increase in the body. Make 10 grams of dry ginger thick paste or dry ginger powder. Mix with ghee. Consume daily while having food in a lunchtime. By this, skin allergies will reduce, hemoglobin levels will increase in our body. 1 glass of spinach juice, mix 2 to 3 drops of honey to it. Drink daily. This helps to increase blood in our body. Take 3 grams of turmeric powder, 10 grams of honey, mix both. Eat daily early morning in empty stomach. It helps to purify the blood in our body. Take 10 grams of cow desi ghee, 10 black peppercorns, mix both, boil by using double boiler method. Once it is warm, strain that mixture. Consume daily while having rice in lunchtime. It helps to purify the bad blood in the body and gives glow on body skin. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do like, share and comment, and this will boost us to do more and more informative videos